I'm not crazy about it, but
Well,
it's not a huge. You know, they're fused. If this unit was to have an issue, that's not good.
now you installed a new belt. Is that the blower or something?
Yeah, that is the blower. This is the blower motor. That's your blower wheel, your pulleys, and yeah, and that's it.
Thank you.
And that's it. Normally, clean out the drain pan. That's why I brought this up. But as you can see, this drain pan is pretty clean. There's not really anything to clean there.
Yeah.
So we're not cleaning it.
Okay.
Now, this. Now I gotta verify that that this is a filter test site, because if it is, I bought the filters for nothing. And sure it is. It says it right on there. Filter test site.
Ah.
No filters needed. And I ended up buying them because I totally forgot about them.
Yeah.
So I'd have.
Filter test site.
They end up calling that there's a leak in space. A lot of times these courtesy outlets don't even work.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't have any outlet. So now I get a lot of. Some of our stores have water leak issues, and that the owner of the company gets very upset about it, and you can't blame him. I mean, it happens. I can't speak for anyone else, but a lot of times, like we have a store in West Palm Beach, in Palm Beach Gardens. It's a water source heat pump unit inside the store. This thing, we go there every 90 days. We go there and do the maintenance, and before the 90 days is up, a lot of times they end up calling that the unit's leaking water. When I go there, this thing has got about an inch of glob in it in a matter of 90 days. So I think it has a lot to do with the clothing and the fibers that get pulled up.
Gotcha.
I mean, the filters catch some of that stuff, but
not
a lot
all
of that stuff ends up in the drain. You'll see a lot of like gray gel matter, which tells me a lot of it is that the fibers from the
Gotcha. Yeah.
the clothing. But we have those nuisance calls. A lot we lose compressors, not often, but we lose some of them. These contactors and relays, transformers, boards, 855 board, sometimes they go bad. But the most common thing that they'll wear.
Now those boards are controlling thermostats and stuff?
Yes. Well, in this case, they have what's called an EMS system, or energy management system, where they actually control it just by this is where your sensors are tied into. This is the EMS board right here where they connect to. Actually, is this one? This one here. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one here. And they're able to. I mean, the guy's like in Louisiana somewhere. He goes on there.
He can control it from there.
Control the unit and everything.
So you got telemetry coming to here too.
Yeah.
Now is it wireless or hardwired?
No, it's hardwired. Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah. So. Make sure the compressors have that charge. That'll be that. Our maintenance on this unit.
Now the gas is the source that helps cool the.
Yes. Refrigerant. This unit is we installed these units not too long ago. They're about 2 years old. We put them in. These are train units, and the refrigerant. We've gone from R22 to R410 because what they're saying is that the R22 is a lot more dangerous for our environment
ozone,
than the R410. Even though this one is still capable of doing damage, but not as bad as the R22. So a lot of our systems are actually are changing over now to the R410. So, but that's what these are. They run at much higher pressures than the 22.
What kind of pressure are you looking at?
Well, we normally we don't really work on pressure. We work on temperature, but your standard temperature, say on a 70-degree day, your suction on these will probably be about 115, 120, around there.
Okay.
If it was a 22 system, it'd be about your suction side would be about 65 psi. But again, whenever you mention pressures to people, they don't really like to hear that because we actually work in temperatures, not pressure.
Gotcha.
So what he means by that, he's looking for things like superheat, subcooling, your CTOA, which would be your condenser, the air coming out of your condenser over the ambient. You should be under 30 on that.
Okay.
Your delta T, which is your return air. In comparison to your supply air, you should have a 18, 20 degree split there.
Gotcha.
Okay. And then you have your refrigerant, obviously. And this, we normally, the way they want us to check it is by superheat, subcooling.
What is superheat, sir?
Superheat is actually, it's a calculation that we do. For instance, the unit's not running right now, but just to give you an example, it's sitting at let's see, 2, 5, 10, 15, about 217. So if we cross this is the pink one is your R410 refrigerant boiling point. Okay. So we cross that over to the boiling point, and then we take that boiling point and we take the temperature off the suction line.
Okay.
And we deduct it from the boiling point. what we should have on the suction is what we call the superheat.
Okay.
And we should have anywhere, I guess, between 15 and 20 degrees superheat. On subcooling, we do the same scenario, except we don't go off the suction. We're going off the liquid line. In this case, this unit right there is a liquid line ports. We don't connect to the discharge. We can't get subcooling from the discharge.
Okay.
You have to be on the liquid line, which is these. You connect your high side on there, and then again,